Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, hello, my name is Carly and I make a ton of home and organization videos here on YouTube. If you're a subscriber of mine, you probably saw my video on closet organization a few months ago where I showed you guys tips and tricks on how to really maximize a smaller closet space. But let's not get it twisted, people. This does not mean that I'm organized 24/7. We all have the one chair in our life. You don't use it for sitting. You basically just throw your clothes on it and it becomes like a pseudo closet. I do that too. And sometimes my house looks like a hot mess. So that super organized closet video I showed you guys, yeah, well now it looks like this. I can no longer live like this. I cannot pretend like I am the back of a Forever 21 store anymore. I need to declutter this place. I thought I would share with you guys this massive declutter and organization video and also share with you guys some of my top tips on how to actually tackle a project like this and how to not feel overwhelmed in the process. If you guys enjoy organization videos, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know. Also, don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to be moving in the next month and a half and I will have so many new rooms to organize. If you like home and organization videos, I have so much of them coming for you. Stay tuned to the end of this video for a really fun summer giveaway. I got a lot of questions from you guys asking about my current makeup routine, how I got my skin to have the glow that it did. Personally, I've been using the L'Oreal Makeup Lumi Collection. It is a great line of products that really help you get that glow in a range from highlighters to lotions. I'm going to be giving away this entire set to one of you guys. It contains the Lumi Glotion, the Lumi Glow Drops, the Lumi Glow Palette, and the loose glow powder. Make sure you definitely stay around till the end of this video because I will be showing you guys all the products that I used and showing you guys what you have a chance to win. Now let's get into my declutter and organization video. So whenever I'm taking on a really big organization project, especially something with clothes, I really like to organize by group. So I'll separate all the different items by their function and where they go. So right now I'm folding all of my different clothes that go into a drawer space or shelving space, and I'm putting those on the floor. And then any of the clothes that need to be hung up, I'm putting back behind me on my desk. I find this process to be much more efficient than just putting away each individual item on its own. I really like to separate them by function and where they go, so that way I can put away all the folded clothes at one time and go into my closet at once and bring them all in, and then I can also hang up my clothes all at once. So right now I'm separating all the folding items by their purpose. So I'm splitting up leggings, activewear, shorts, tank tops, all the things that I need to put into my closet into that shelving space. And then I'm going to my closet and I'm pulling all the hangers at one time as well. So this way I can take the hangers and I can take the clothes that need to be hung up and I can hang them all up at once. And this way I can watch my show, hang all the clothes up at once, and then I can put them all back in the closet at the same time. Something I like to do to motivate me to take on the big cleaning projects and to make them feel a little bit more fun in the process is to multitask and catch up on a show that I've been wanting to see. So right now I'm watching The Bachelorette, or I also like to listen to podcasts. And then after I put all the hanging clothes onto hangers, then I actually go and hang them all up at once, so it's really quick and simple. Another one of my big tips is to take everything out of a room. Sometimes it just helps to get everything out of the space so you can really see where things need to go and you can clean the best that way. And then you can determine what you actually want to put back in the space and what needs to be moved to other places. I just took all the recycling out and I'm breaking those boxes down, and now it is time to go back into the closet. I'm taking everything out of this room too to really be able to visualize the space and really see what needs to go in here. And then once everything is out, I can actually start to organize the space. Another one of my tips is to do similar tasks at the same time. Kind of like how I said, I hang all the clothes up at once. I had a lot of laundry in my closet, so now I'm just unpacking the laundry all at the same time. So I'm not running and doing a load, putting it away, doing another load, putting it away. I'm putting all the laundry away at the same time. Something that's really helpful while you're decluttering is to keep a bag with you so you can put things that you no longer want into that bag, so then you can take it to either give away or to sell, or also to keep a bag that you can put trash into while you're cleaning. So you're cleaning as you go and you can really separate what you want to keep, what you want to give away, and what you want to get rid of. After all of that, my closet is finally back to looking a little bit more normal after a day of decluttering and organizing. Whew, okay, that closet was a hot mess, but it's back to normal and functioning. Thank goodness. If you guys enjoyed this massive closet declutter and organization, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like organization videos because I have plenty more coming in the future. One of you guys on my last video asked me about my current makeup routine, what products I'm using, how am I getting the glowy skin that I had. I'm so excited to bring you guys this week's giveaway because it answers all of those questions you were asking me and actually provides a chance for you guys to win the products that I'm using. So I personally love this collection. There's a different product for everyone depending on what type of glow you love. I love the glow drops because I can mix them in with my foundation to really give my skin that dewy appearance. There's also the Lumi Collection, which you can mix in with your lotion, or you can just apply directly to your skin to give your whole body the same glow. I also have the Lumi Highlighting Palette, which is perfect to just accent the high points of your skin if you want to give your skin that glow, and they have a loose shimmer powder as well. I'm going to be giving away this entire Lumi collection in this beautiful pink box I'm personally going to ship out to one of you guys. This is what the full collection looks like. You get 4 of the Glotions, 2 of the Glow and More drops, 2 of the shimmer powders, and 2 of the Lumi highlighting palettes. This giveaway is open for my subscribers, so you have to be a subscriber of mine. So if you're already a subscriber, you can enter the giveaway, or you can click to subscribe to my channel right now so you can also enter the giveaway. Give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you like these giveaways, and then leave me a comment down below letting me know, 1, where are you from, and 2, what are your favorite videos to see? Do you like these organization and declutter videos? Do you like the home videos? Or do you like more of the fashion videos? Or do you like the life updates? What are your favorite kind of videos, and what do you want to see more of in the future? I'll have all of this written down below in the description in case you guys want to see how to enter this giveaway. It's super easy, and I'm so excited to give you guys a chance to win the L'Oreal Makeup Lumi Collection. Complete side note, guys, but the Nordstrom anniversary sale is starting today for card holders. So that means for the next week, it's open to people who either have a Nordstrom's card or a Nordstrom's debit card, and then after that, it's open to the general public. The best time of year because all of the stuff that they're releasing for fall is coming out and is going to be on super sale. We'll go back to full price after the sale, and that's what they'll have as their fall collection. Being someone who's obsessed with fashion, and fall fashion being my ultimate favorite, this is basically my birthday. It's the best time of year. So make sure to follow me over on Instagram if you don't already, because I will be posting my picks from the sale and what I ordered from the sale today. Like Thursday, today, the day you are watching it, my pics will be up on my Insta story so you guys can just swipe up and see them. So if you guys like to get style inspiration from my outfit videos, if you guys just want to know what are the best pics from the sale, I will definitely be showing them all to you guys. I'll also film a haul video of all the stuff that I buy for you guys because they will still be on sale hopefully by the time it gets to me and I can show it to you guys, but I wanted to show you guys on stories the day the sale starts because then you can also shop it while the products are still available because they tend to sell out pretty quickly. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye.